Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter problem. To know how to find the solution about Twitter, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to Twitter app. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end, you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on. Then you can turn off your airplane mode. And you can go to Play Store. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.